Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Today I'm gonna do a test. I got a new camera, a Canon 200D, I think, yeah, and wanna test it. I wanna see the video and audio quality. So I have a laptop to repair today, and let's see what we got. So it's an Acer laptop, and from what I saw, it starts, but it's shutting down after 2 seconds. So I have here the LED for the battery. Let me open this. So it's an Acer Extensa 5235. So let's see, pressing the power button, and look, so the LED for the the laptop, it's going green. Camera focus. It's going green, and after that it's coming to orange and nothing happens again. So nothing. And it's a common problem for the laptops. It's a power issue, so the laptop, it's trying to wake up, and some power supply, it's in short, and that causes to power supply, the main power supply, to shut down all the power rails, and the laptop is shutting down. So we have to check for short on the USB, because there is the common port where you have power. So let's see how the USB ports are presenting. So let me see. This one, seems fine. Let me get another angle. So this is fine. So no other here. Let me see here. Come on, focus. Oh, look at that. So I managed to get rid of the short for the USB port, and let's try now. So the same. So the problem is a little bit deeper. I have to take apart the laptop, and let's do that right now. So guys, the laptop is open, and I'm not surprised that the laptop didn't work, because look at this. It's a worm. Oh man, let me show it to you. Come on. What's a worm? See, it's moving. Yuck. Okay, so somebody dropped some milk on this laptop, and after that it didn't work anymore. So let's see after a clean if it's gonna work. So I'm surprised, and I hope it will work. Hope nothing bad happened to the motherboard. Maybe a clean out will resolve all the problems. So let's clean up this and see what we got. So guys, I managed to clean up a little bit, you know, that mess on the motherboard. And there is no way I can repair this, because even some small components like those little SMD components came out of the motherboard. So there is no chance I can repair this, because here I have some traces that are dead, are interrupted, and even from the other layers. The trace is interrupted, so I can't do anything. So here are some traces under these traces, and I can't do nothing. I can't do anything about them. I can tie them again, and the laptop, it might work. It might start to the Windows and so on, but some function or some peripheral won't work, and that's not good, and you know, it's a waste of time in the end. So that was it, the laptop. Maybe I can rescue the RAM, the CPU, even the hard drive, and sell it or keep it for other laptops. So this is for this video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.